Morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. What's the date though? May, I don't know, May 6. And ano tayo guys, late akong nagising, 12 noon na, but I'm still having my breakfast. Ito ang aking breakfast, very simple Danish breakfast. Bread na may butter, tapos coffee. Ito lang muna kasi mamaya pa ako kakain talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Yung kalat sa likod guys, huwag nyo lalayang pansinin. Those are, ano yan?
Open the window so we can hear it.
It's so crazy. There's like, could you hear it guys? Like, is there a wire or something? Guys, rinig niyo ba? It's so weird. Sabi ni Martin, pag may sound daw na ganyan, it means it could be there is war, or it could be na may poison sa labas, it could be some gas or something like that. Pero parang ano naman, okay naman siya, wala namang, parang at peace naman. So baka ano lang yung testing.
War is coming. Get your guns. Be prepared. Kill the enemy. Like any other country. We are under attack.
Get your guns, my ass, as if.
Yeah, no Danish got guns, but that's what it means. You ask me what it means, not what's happening.
Okay.
Be prepared. And the one who is in the home land security, they will, turn on your radio, turn on all this so you can...
Shit, it's so scary.
Yeah, you don't got that in Philippines, right?
I think we also got.
I don't got that.
Yeah, I think
all
we
you
also
got in Philippines is Loki Me noodles and balut.
Abnormal. Sige, bye. Yes. Nakaka-shock naman yung sound na ganon. First time ko yung marinig actually dito. Pero at least now we know what it means. It means pala na pag may ganon, ay it could be war, it could be something very, very serious. Pero ano lang yung testing lang siguro yun. So guys, I thought sa Monday pa ako mag-work because
Go to the
no,
test.
they've already heard it.
No, but come over there.
Nope.
This is a yearly test. It's only a yearly test.
I'm gonna work on Monday. I'm gonna work on Monday. And then suddenly it's tomorrow. It's like, I feel like I'm not ready for it. Pero obviously I have to be ready for it because what am I talking? February 22, pumunta kaming Pinas. And then we stayed there until March 28. Supposedly, uwi na kami mga March 21, mga ganon. Pero nag-cancel yung flight. So, nakauwi talaga kami, nakabili kami ng ticket March 28. So, imagine that April until March 28 sa Pinas ako, meaning hindi ako nag-work. And then, when we got here, the whole April, walang work. It's because of the corona pandemic. And then now, it's already May, at ngayon na ako mag-work. So, yun. Back to normal life na talaga. Ito lang yung pagkain ko. Kagigising ko lang kasi. At pag kagigising mo lang parang hindi mo pa gusto na do something. So, ito na lang. Masarap naman din kahit papano. Ano siya? Crispy. So, yun. By Monday, open na talaga ang Denmark. Back to normal na. Which, of course, nandyan pa rin ang corona, pero not so much anymore in this part of the world. Pero we still have to be very, very careful. Ang sarap talaga ng kape, oh. Yung first, no, hindi ko naman to first, you know, first taste of coffee in the morning. But it's not morning, but it's also not my first, but it's like, it's just so good. Yung paborito ko talagang kape is yung Nescafe 3-in-1. Pero nung nasa Pinas ako dati, yung iniinom ko is yung Coffee Co 3-in-1. Yung brown, ang sarap. Grabe. Pero naubos na siya. So yun, now back na ako sa normal na coffee dito. Yung ikaw na talaga yung mag-mix-mix. Yun guys, ang bilis ng panahon, no? It's like, it feels like it just started at 2020 and then the next thing you know, almost pa half a year na tayo. Ang bilis. Ang daming nangyari. Pero ma-survive natin to. After kong kumain guys, maliligo ako. And then yung pinakita ko sa inyo dati na parang keratin ng buhok, ito-try ko siya kasi mag-work na ako bukas. Ang pangit ng buhok ko guys. Buhag-hag. Hindi ako nakapag-ribbon sa Pinas kasi nga dahil sa corona. So try ko apply siya. Ay, papakita ko yun. Nilagay ko dyan sa hindi ko makalimutan. Ito. Try ko. After ko kumain. Buti nandito si Martin. Siya yung mag-apply sa akin ng step number 2. Okay? Kita ba? Kaya basta yan. Pag hindi talaga gumanito yung buhok ko after A1 ko na lang. Wala ng pag-asa. Kinakabahan ako guys kasi ang tagal lang hindi ako nag-work. Dapat hindi ako kabahan. 5 years na kaya ako dyan sa work kaya. Pero excited din ako makita yung mga workmates ko. Siya. Ay, nakakamiss sana yung pagkain ko if, rice, tapos tuyo. May pala ako guys, may bagoong. Binili ni Martin the other day. Nagpunta siyang Asian store kasama yung friend niya at hindi ako nakasama kasi may nilakad din akong iba. So, yun. So, masarap sana. Kaya lang, tamad ako magluto ngayon By the way, yung channel natin guys, na siya? Malapit ng mag 7,500. Ang saya ko. Ang tagal ko na kayang nag-YouTube. Hindi lang talaga. Ang lang talaga, very slow yung progress ko. Very slow ang progress ng aking YouTube channel. Pero, at least it's still going up. Continue lang tayo. Slowly but surely. Alam niyo yung so many months, parang 1 month and 1 week na wala talaga, nandito lang ako sa bahay. I mean, lumalabas-labas din naman ako, pero I had so much in my mind na okay, gusto kong gawin to, gusto kong gawin yan, mag-arrange ako nito, ganyan. Pero because I don't know, I don't think it's just me, but it's like, people say, there's so much time, I will do that later, it's fine, I'm gonna do that later, I will be done with it. And then suddenly, shit, I gotta go to work tomorrow. And then there's no time. And then you ask yourself, what did I do? Did I just waste that? I could have been very productive here at home. Pero ganun talaga. Ganun talaga yung tao. I still got time. Work ako tomorrow, Thursday. Friday, walang trabaho. Saturday, work na naman. Sunday, off. And then after that, Monday to Thursday, work. So, ano na siya? Normal schedule na siya. By the way, guys, full-time ako na nagwo-work. It's 37 hours a week. So, officially, yung trabaho namin is Monday pa. Just because we need to prepare the shop and all that. So, kaya patatabahuin ako ng bukas and Saturday. Ang ganda na dito ng Denmark, guys. Ang ganda na ng Denmark, it's because spring. Ang ganda ng kulay sa labas. So much flowers are blooming. The colors, it's so green and all that. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang nakaka-relax. But then it's still cold. So, hindi pa rin talaga yung parang pwede kang maglay dun sa sa grass and enjoying the sun. Hindi pa rin talaga ganun. It's because it's still cold. Busy ako today. Dami kong lilinisin. Yung mga damit dito. Iano ko pa yan, i-iron, paplansahin, pipiluin, tapos ano ko pa, can I have to look at ano yung susutin ko bukas. I wanna plan it like, kasi diba pag hindi mo plinano yung susuotin mo, it's like, you wake up in the morning and you're like, oh, what to wear, something like that. Pero gusto ko talaga iplano siya for 1 week, ganyan. Para isang na lang, okay, ito susutin ko para at peace yung mind. There's no stress. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Yeah, so yun guys. Kita-kita tayo later. Busy na si Akech. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day.